My name is Bob, and I'm out of Georgia. And I wanted to let you know about my experience with LeafFilter. I found them basically on the web, through Google. And I was going through the process of trying to figure out who is going to be doing my gutters. And had a couple of vendors come in, and the experience that I had with LeafFilter was the best of all of them, which is why I selected them. I mean, there are a couple of different things that were in my criteria. First, I live in a community with an HOA, very restrictive, and lots of rules and regulations. And so I had to be careful about who I brought in. And the crew that came in, they needed to be on time, delivered on what they promised. And that's exactly what they did. The salesperson came in. He was very approachable, very, just a good person that I felt comfortable with. When he brought the crew in, they came in on a day, and one day, rip, repair, replace, and it was a great decision on my part. So it was thank you very much, LeafFilter, for doing a great job for us.